Hi, today I would like to go through a simple tutorial on how we can make use of LSP to do simple calculation of the area, addition and subtraction. Okay, now we just have to load the three basic LSP called add, less and ART. So we type LSP, and we type load. Now you can select the three LSP that you have downloaded into the specific folder. Just press load and close. Okay, now you have already activated three of these basic LSP functions called ART, add and less. Okay, for example, if you have three different polylines that you need to find out the area, so usually the Autocad simple method, you will bring out the properties. Under the property, it will display the area or the length. Or the other method, you will type area by selecting the object. It will display the area below. Okay, now we try to use the ART. Just type ART and it will ask you to enter the text size. Probably you will put 1000. Okay, now you pick the shape of the area that you wanted. Then you click anywhere on the screen to display the text. Okay, now it already display the area of this square as a text input. So while you can do the same for other different shapes, for example for the circle and also this free form. So now it will display up to 2 decimal points. So we can double check and see is it correct. 5.22. So even in the property menu, it displays like 0.218. It will automatically round off to 2 decimal places for you. So for the next LSP, we try to add these three areas together. Okay, we type add ADD and you select the three values that you want to add on, space again, and press the text. See, it will display the total value of these three texts. Okay, another way is that you can copy the text, or you can use a new text. It only works with text instead of normal text attribute. For example, we put value. Okay, so you go through again, you type add, select the three values that you want to add on, space, then you select the you want to display, or you can select the three text and click on value. See? Okay, the other function I will teach you is called less. It will do subtractions of all these values. So you type less, select the first object and you space again to select the second value that you want to subtract, space, and you click on the new value to display the final outcome. It will show 18.83 because 55.22 mine subtracted 36.39. Okay, that's all guys. For any following commands, you can comments or review, can you put it at my YouTube page, and you can also refer to my YouTube page to download these three LSP for your use. Okay, thank you.